morning, guys. What's up? Right now we got Nick, the driver, Graham, driver passenger seat, and I'm in the back. And right now we're heading up north to Nick's lake house on an island in Higgins Lake. And this weekend we're hoping to catch a lot of big fish and just have a lot of fun. What do you boys have to say?
Just excited to get up north, relax, rip the skis a little bit, you know. That's about it.
Keep this money by my side, I had to sacrifice. She said she love me, she don't love me, that's a damn lie. I play for keeps.
Hey, what's up, guys? We just stopped at Wendy's. Right here we got, introduce yourself.
Guess what I'm drinking right now?
David. Right here we got Kyle. And you know, the classic Graham and Nick.
Hey, no swearing on my Christian island.
Exactly, we made it.
Yes, sir.
We made it.
Hey, we'll fish tomorrow and then go to mass after we fish.
Cups with the ice, and we do this every night.
Right now, we made it to the house. There it is. And now we're gonna take the jet skis out for a spin, so.
Lake's looking really calm right now, so I'm gonna try and fly on this puppy. We'll see how it goes.
Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the color she choose. Say club going up on a Tuesday.
6 shots. Bustin' out the bed, real metal like a band, no fleet. I went from bad to riches to a feature with tip. I went from smart car to a bitch with smart lips. And that epiphany made my hip lift. I'm going fishing with these little bitty strip dips. And my bankroll kinda big shit. She gon' bring it on a big ship. White trail, no quick trip. I got jugs in the alley, no tip. And tip say, hey, don't be blowing me, play about money. Ain't no use to you ringing my line, stop wasting my time. Nah, I can even hear what you say. I pack in 11, I pack in 11. Boom, I ran in the gator.
It's not starting! It has 2 bars! What? I am. Bro, it's not even turning on now. Dude, when I put the key in, it doesn't even like ignite or anything. Come on now. Hey guys, I'm back from getting stranded, and here are my saviors, Nick and Graham. And right now, we think that the battery's dead on the jet ski, but we don't know yet, really. And right now we're gonna go fish, chill.
Just got on the water, first fish, and this is actually a massive yellow perch, probably about 12 or 13 inches. This is one of my biggest ever. And these are some of the best eating fish in Michigan, so we're gonna cook them up tonight. See you then.
All right, Graham with another big catch. Look how big he is.
Another
bigger
yellow
than
perch.
the other one.
About 12, 13 inches long. Gonna be a good dinner tonight.
They're swimming back.
So first thing you want to do with fish is they got all these scales on it. So take a knife with a lot of serrades on it or something, and just go against the scales.
It's been a long
Yeah, be careful.
day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Beautiful sunset on Higgins Lake with the boys. Late night fishing. Nick just caught a donkey apparently. Nick, turn around, smile. Smile for the camera. Oh. Good morning, guys. Right now it's like, what time is it? 9. 9, and right now we're the only 3 guys that woke up to go fishing. What do you have to say, Graham?
Excited to get out on the water, trying to get some smallies, some rock bass, some perch, maybe even a laker. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned.
We ain't catching a laker.
Nick, what do you have to say?
Just excited to get out there. The lake's really calm. It's like no one out on the water right now, so.
Hey guys, I can't even talk right now. We're getting nothing. Really rough day. Nick, what do you have to say?
I've kind of given up for the past 30 minutes, so.
Yeah, right now we just have Graham going strong, hoping he'll catch something for us, but it's not looking good. Alright, what's up, guys? We're cooking the fish up, the one that we caught yesterday. Graham, how are you gonna execute this?
You know, we're a little low on supplies, so instead of egg, I'm gonna melt some butter so the coating sticks, and for the coating, we're gonna use kettle chips. Let's see how it goes.
We'll check back in with you guys soon. Okay, guys, so now, Graham, care to explain what's going on?
So basically we have our cleaned fish right here, then we have our butter since we do not have any eggs, and then we have a mix of kettle chips, Lay's chips, salt, and pepper in here. Then we're going to use that as a coating and then put it in the oil. Get an aerial shot. Keep it close so they don't really drip too much.
I really like this shirt.
Thank you, I got it from my friend Nick Elliott.
Oh, I'm cut the audio out on this, so
Wow, 155, Nicholas Elliott.
it's me. Heard that Nick Kid is bad at wrestling anyway, so.
288, Graham Mason.
Okay, I think this is gonna get boring.
No, stop. I'm not gonna do that.
Always have a shirt on when you're cooking with oil, unlike this kid. Now, when you put fish into the oil, always lay it away from you so you don't get splashed back. Now, depending on the thickness, you should go for about 1 to 3 minutes each side for these, and then you also see them shrink down once they cook.
I don't even know. Useful utensil is a spatula.
Oh my god, you got on me.
That's why you need to wear a shirt.
It would, okay, if I was wearing a short sleeve shirt, it would have helped because it happened to my arm.
Don't shake so much.
It's not that easy.
Breaking it right here, you could see beautiful white fish in the middle right there. Anybody want to share? Just break off a little piece.
Ooh, nice
Alright.
and flaky.
Cheers. It's not fishy at all. It tastes really good, actually. What do you think?
It's really fresh. Like, I know we caught it yesterday, but like, I don't know.
You know, I thought the chips would have absorbed too much grease when I was frying, but it actually turned out really well. A little bit messy, but tastes very good. No bones. Awesome fillet job by Coach D.
Delicious, flaky, perfectly cooked, not fishy, no bones. Overall, guys, it's a success.
Let's go.
That is fantastic. A little crispy. Kind of tastes like chicken, but it's not as
really good, Graham.
it's not as chickeny.
I'm surprised. Why?
10 out of 10.
Fry job would be that good. You know, definitely a member of the Clean Plate Club. It was very.
So this right here, this plate is a member of the Clean Plate Club. It means we absolutely destroyed the fish.
What is so funny about that?
So this right here is a member of the Clean Plate Club. It means we absolutely destroyed the perch. It tasted really good. Everyone loved it. It was nice and crispy, and there's no perch on the plate, man. So
Yeah, it was really good. I'm actually impressed at how well we did.
What can I say? They took the words out of my mouth.
All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magicians assist done in their dream.
Yeah, you know, we're packing up for the weekend. Had a great 2 days up here. Felt a lot longer, but you gotta get back home sometimes.
It's like we just got here yesterday. Alright, what's up guys? We just finished wrapping up the boat and we're headed back home. Good weekend though, good memories, and lots of fun.
yeah, we had a lot of fun.
Turn left onto Hillcrest Road.
We did a lot of things off camera, which was a lot of fun. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and
Drop a thumbs up and subscribe.
yeah.